What's the word, YouTube? Back with another video, man. Today's video, man, I'm going to go get this car cleaned up because it is super dirty. I'm gonna head to the car wash real quick, get this cleaned up, and then I also might vacuum it because I don't know if you can see. But like these floor mats are disgusting. I just got like the car is just like dirty. These floor mats are nasty. Like the car is just generally dirty. And yeah, it needs to be cleaned up. It's been a minute, so I'm gonna go to the car wash, get the car cleaned up, get it nice and vacuumed, and then it's pretty nice outside, so I'm just gonna take y'all on a drive with me back to my school. All right, y'all. Just got out of the car wash. Did a pretty mid job, but it's not gonna pick up on camera. It got it decently clean. I put a little tire shine on it, so it makes the rims look a lot better. I had to really wipe the rims off because it didn't even touch the rims, but you know. Spoiler look great. I'm in love with this new spoiler. Now I'm gonna head over. I'm gonna head over and get the car vacuumed now, and then once I get that done, then I'm gonna put the head mount on and I'm gonna take y'all on the drive or whatever. So I'm gonna catch y'all whenever I finish vacuuming. All right, y'all, got the car nice and vacuumed up. Kind of wiped stuff down too because the car was, I kind of wiped like the interior down and stuff because there was some parts in the interior that was kind of dirty too. So overall though, this car needs like a nice interior detail. I really want to get the car taken in again and get detailed because I also wanted to get a nice wax, but I think I'm gonna have to end up doing the wax on my own. Should be able to have some fun too on the highway. Still nothing going on with the car as of right now. I am thinking of some small stuff that I can do. I found a couple of small things. I was like, oh, that'd be a cool little touch to the car. But as far as like major stuff, nothing really going on as of right now. Yeah, I always try to get away from trucks like that because I know they're gonna throw stuff. I always try to get far away as I can from them. I know they're gonna throw stuff around. I don't want a rock chip, I'll tell you that much. Yeah, this car is just still so fun to drive. It's never a dull moment with this car. I don't usually drive in manual. I usually just let the car shift itself in sport. But I've been kind of messing with it lately. Making sure it's working, you know. I wanted to I just can't wait to get an exhaust on this car. I mean, it's just gonna make it so much more. It's just gonna give it another, I guess I could say, thrill to drive this car, you know? Because it's already fun daily driving it, but I feel like adding the exhaust is just gonna make it 10 times more fun, you know? I think I am gonna see this week if I can go to some back roads, kind of just drive the car and see how it does, you know? I'm gonna try and see if I can. That'll probably, if I do that though, that probably will be uploaded next week, because I got a video coming out today of me fixing this regulator, and then this video will probably come out on Thursday. So now that I'm getting more busy and stuff, I gotta figure out like a plan on how to pre-record stuff so I can get so I already have the videos just ready, you know? Instead of having to go out and edit on the day of or the day before, I can just have the video already ready, so all I gotta do is upload it, you know? This car handles so good on the curves. Hopefully y'all been doing good though. I think I say this every single video. Hopefully y'all been doing good. You know, I know it's been some new subs as well ever since the last video. Some new viewers as well. Welcome to the channel, man. Hopefully y'all enjoy this type of content that I'm putting out. Seems like the content's been doing a lot better. I've been trying to do better with the quality of the videos and stuff like that. I got some other little small things that I'm gonna do to kind of make the videos a little bit better. I got some other little small stuff that I want to do just to enhance the videos, you know? Cause I really am committed to this YouTube stuff, man. I do enjoy it. I enjoy making these videos. I enjoy that whole editing process and just uploading videos and getting feedback. It brings joy to me. It's like a second hobby, you know. And it's like a win-win, because I already love this car so much that it's like, why don't I just show this off, you know, to you guys and show y'all what it's like, you know, daily driving this and owning one of these. Because I know I've recently been running into people that's like, yeah, I've been looking for one of these, you know. And it's so cool, because it's like this car is like 22 years old, but people are still looking for them because they're just that reliable, and they're just a really, really good car, you know. Ever since I did that oil change on this car, and I wish I would have recorded that video. I wish I would have recorded that process, but at the same time, I'm glad I didn't, because it was just a moment between me and my dad where we were just learning together, you know, because this was his car. at a point in time. So it was kind of just like a father-son moment, you know, of us just learning with each other, you know, how to change the oil. Because once I get into a new car, I'm probably just gonna give this back to him, or he's probably just gonna take this. I don't think I'm gonna sell it, because it's just such a classic, and it's overall just a great car, you know. But what I was trying to say is, ever since I did that oil change, man, this car has been riding just so much better, and the oil life is just increased significantly. Because that other oil he had in this car, it didn't last at all. Like, the car was running fine, but then when I went to go check it, it was super low. Like, the oil didn't last at all. So it was kind of weird, because this car never did burn oil super fast, and these cars really don't burn oil like that. So it was kind of weird. But ever since I did that, this car has been driving great. And the tires, man, these tires are just great. I've seen people rocking these now. I've seen people rocking these now, these Potenzas, and a lot of people say they like them. I mean, I love them personally. This car be getting up, man. This car gets up. And it holds corners so good. Thing just holds corners so well. It's not even funny. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end this video here, because I don't want this video to be too long. The last POV I recorded, it was like 25 minutes long. I was like, okay, that's a little overkill. But hopefully y'all enjoyed. I appreciate all the new subs and new viewers. I appreciate y'all for tuning into the channel. And if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on post notifications so you know whenever I post a new video. Because I'm constantly posting new videos. I try to post 2 times a week, Mondays and Thursdays. Make sure you stay tuned. Like I said, appreciate y'all for watching. And I'm gonna catch y'all